When dealing with trucking and dump truck cases, I have seen where the commercial motor carrier has simply just given the driver the vehicle and say, here you go start making deliveries for me, and have done no substantial background check as required by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, which in turn directly affects the quality of driving they have, or driver they have driving their vehicle on the roads of the state of Florida. I mean, some of those semi-tractor trailers with loads can weigh up to 75 to 80,000 pounds. So they can be bigger than tanks, way more than tanks driving on the road going 60, 70 miles per hour. When dealing with the trucks and dump truck type of cases, I have a great deal of experience, which in turn will help you with your claim and to help get you what you need for your recovery.